Welcome to Hybiz TV. This is Chaitanya Muddam.
Kia India, one of the fastest growing car makers in the country, has rolled out the first customer car of the three-row recreational vehicle, the Kia Carens, from its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. The Kia Carens is the latest made in India offering from the company, which combines the sophistication of a family mover and the sportiness of an SUV in one to make it a compelling value proposition and the best choice for modern Indian families. Furthermore, the Kia Carens is all set to create and define a new segment of its own. The Kia Carens has been tested for across multiple terrains and simulated conditions before the company has announced the mass production of the car. The Kia Carens will be manufactured in India and will be exported to over 80 countries. Following the world premiere in December, the Kia Carens will be officially launched in February 2022. Commenting on the occasion, Tae-Jin Park, Managing Director and CEO Kia India said, "We are all about inspiration at Kia. And with the Kia Carens, we bring to the table a whole new set of value propositions aligning with requirements of the new age customers. I'm very excited about the beginning of this new journey."
So that's all from the story. This is Chaitanya Muddam signing off.